Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to complete workbook pages 269 and 270. These are your assignments for today. So as you can see on page 269, I have to zoom in because it is the only way I can get this on video. So the directions say, write the time as minutes after an hour and minutes before an hour. So what they're asking is to write the minutes that have happened after the hour and the minutes until the next hour. So for example, you can see I drew this pink line to show you these are the minutes after the hour. So the hour we're looking at is 12 o'clock. So you can see that the hour hand is not quite at the 1 yet, but it was at 12 o'clock. That's the hour we started with, and it's been moving since the minute hand has also been moving. So how many minutes have passed after 12 o'clock? Let's take a look. I'm going to use my pencil to show that we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 minutes. So when I wrote this down, I wrote 45 minutes after 12 o'clock, okay? Because it is now 45 minutes after 12 o'clock. Now, there are two ways to figure out how many minutes before the next hour. So the next hour, because you're at 12 o'clock now, is going to be 1 o'clock. So we can look at our second line that I drew backwards, counterclockwise. That shows how much time until the next hour. So if we count those, we have 5, 10, 15 minutes. So it's 15 minutes till, or 15 minutes before 1 o'clock. Because 1 o'clock is the next hour. Another way to figure that out, we know 1 hour is 60 minutes. So you could do 60 minutes minus, and you can see that the minute hand is at 45 minutes. So we could do 60 minus 45. Cross out the 0, cross out the 6, make the 6 a 5, make the 0 a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 minus 4 is 1. So you also get 15 minutes that way. It just depends how you want to do it. Okay, let's do one more together on that page. So right now we can look at the time, and our hour hand, our little hand, is at 2. And our minute hand is at 5, 10, 15, 20. So we know that it is 2:20. So it is 20 minutes after 2 o'clock. Now we need to figure out how many minutes it is before the hour. So let's go backwards, counterclockwise with that line. Okay, we need to figure out how many minutes until, or how many minutes before 3 o'clock, because 3 o'clock is the next hour. So I'm just going to count this one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So when I write that, I'm going to write 40 minutes before 3 o'clock. Okay, so notice when you are writing these, you need to count the minutes that are after the hour. So the hour we're looking at is 2 o'clock. That's why it's 20 minutes after 2 o'clock. And before the hour is how many minutes until the next hour? How many minutes before we get to 3 o'clock, right? So the next hour is 3 o'clock. It's going to be 40 minutes until we get to 3 o'clock, or 40 minutes before 3 o'clock. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and ask questions. You can email, you could have your parents call or text me. These are going to be posted on the website, and I want you to complete numbers 1 through 9 on page 269. Thank you.